Congratulations on 40 years of exemplary service. You were one of the first in Canada to provide service to people who need it. And the court, on behalf of the Court of Queen's Bench, we are truly grateful for your continuing service. This is the kind of service that makes justice fair in a Western democracy.
On behalf of the board and staff of the Alberta Law Foundation, it's my distinct pleasure to congratulate Calgary Legal Guidance for achieving their 40-year milestone. It's a wonderful event, and many thanks are deserved to literally hundreds of people over the years that have made it all happen.
Calgary Legal Guidance runs a volunteer clinic at the Calgary Immigrant Women's Association, and I've been volunteering there for 20 years. Exclusively in the area of immigration law. One of my clients a few years ago, a woman named Hala, came to see us, and she was in the position of having to sponsor her children from Kosovo. Hava and her husband, her then husband, was resettled in Canada, but he would not allow Hava to bring her two biological children with her, and those children went to live with their grandmother. Several years later, Hava was in the position of trying to bring these children to Canada. And I saw her initially at a legal clinic and understanding the problem and understanding that it was going to be a long-term situation, we agreed at the clinic to take this file on and see it through to completion. One of my most rewarding volunteer experiences was having Hava come into the office with these two children, now teenagers. I was able to meet them, and it was, as I said, a very rewarding experience.
It's definitely my pleasure to be able to congratulate Calgary Legal Guidance on 40 years of great service in Calgary. We've been in partnership since 1995 with Calgary Legal Guidance, and we've done many things together. I'd really particularly like to point to about three, I think, very significant initiatives that Calgary Legal Guidance has undertaken over that period of time. One certainly is with regard to identification for homeless people, and that's a more recent initiative that's had a provincial impact, I would say. So it's been very important in the work that they have done that has resulted in homeless people being able to get personal identification much more easily. And it is a crucial thing for people to have their own personal identification.
I'm Kevin, and I'm a former client with Calgary Legal Guidance. I was staying at the Calgary Drop-In Center, and the ladies there referred me here to Legal Guidance to get my identification. Without it, just all kinds of walls come up, and trying to get an apartment, job interviews, ask for identification and stuff. So living at the drop-in center it's not the greatest place, but a lot of people are helpful there, and finally just getting out of there, it's a big weight off my shoulders and stuff, and now I'm in my own place, and it's great. Very nice to get out of there and have a little bit more independence.
We were very happy to work with Calgary Legal Guidance around domestic violence issues, and the restraining order project that was started some years ago was certainly of great significance. And being one of the agencies that spoke up about domestic violence and the intervention around domestic violence in the province and in Calgary has been a significant contribution that Calgary Legal Guidance has made.
Hi, my name is Descha, and I am a client at Calgary Legal Guidance. I spoke with a lady there who was really helpful, and then I made an appointment with her, and she was very considerate because I can't go in and sit for long periods of time or do. So we got to do a lot of things over the phone. Paperwork, I cannot process a lot of things, so she did actually all of my paperwork for me and just verbally took what I said. She shortened the process for me because a few months after that, the man I was living with and his stepdaughter, it was a very bad domestic violence situation. The lady that was my domestic violence worker, they helped me make a plan to move, get out of there. They just got the ball rolling for me in every direction because emotionally I wasn't capable of doing anything on my own. I guess I lost it a little bit. I mean, my whole world got taken away, and I still.
And finally, the work that Calgary Legal Guidance has done and is doing around elders and elder care and elder abuse, all of that is very significant work. So we're very proud to be in partnership with Calgary Legal Guidance, and we wish to congratulate them for their huge accomplishment of 40 years and wish them just as many more into the future.
Hello, I'm Mayor Nanaimo, and I'm so sorry that I can't be there with you tonight to celebrate the 40th anniversary of Calgary Legal Guidance. You know, for our community to work, it is vitally important that every member of our community have equal opportunity and that every member of our community have equal access to the legal system. That's why the work that CLG does is so important. That's why it's so vital. I thank you for it. I salute you for it. The City of Calgary is thrilled to help fund it through FCSS, Family and Community Support Services, and I wish you 40 more great years of success.
I'm pleased to offer congratulations from Premier Alison Redford, from myself, and from our colleagues in the Government of Alberta to Calgary Legal Guidance on the incredible occasion of 40 years of service to our city.
Just want to say what a magnificent job you are doing and will continue to do. In the spirit of the well-being of the community, I congratulate you and everybody who participates with Calgary Legal Guidance. It's a credit to the lawyers that volunteer their services and to others involved, and it is an honor to the legal profession. Thank you again. Now let's celebrate the 40th anniversary.